Welcome to San Diego Market Movers. I'm your host, Valley, and I'm here with Mike Cady. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, Mike, I am hearing lots of things, and everybody's telling me you have to know Mike Cady. You got to know Mike Cady. You've been in the business for a really long time. Can you tell us how did the process of the rise of Mike Cady start?
Sure, a really long time is 32 years. I started down in the Bay Park PB market for years, and it was a fabulous market because it was kind of affordable at the time. And having kids and living in that area, mom wanted to be in a better school district, so we moved up to North County, probably in 1990 range, and been in North County ever since. And with moving to a more, let's say, a desirable area, school districts, it was a shoe-in for higher costs on houses, better school districts, sports, and why a lot of people have moved to North County, let's say, and it's just worked out really well for us. And it's a home, it's where we raised our family, and I literally with our property management and sales in that area have just, it's blossomed, and I've been very grateful.
What year was it that you said the PB area was affordable?
89.
89?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you can believe it, houses were, $160,000, $180,000, and if we got something for 250. I remember when I first sold my first house, it was like 450,000, and I double ended it, and it was like a heyday. And it's all relative. Down payments, interest rates were higher, and we actually kind of got a little unique in the market where we would sometimes even put our commission back into deals to help people with their financing, because again, I was in a situation where I needed to do whatever it took to make deals. I would carry financing for 6 months on my commission and then get paid. And we did a lot of unique marketing where we just stood at the copier making black and white photos, walking around handing out flyers to people in the neighborhoods, because we didn't have the exposure availability that we have today with social media and stuff. So but a lot of my peers and stuff who I've been in the industry with a long time, it's fun to kind of see how we've, us older guys, let's say, have evolved and brought in, like my son Trent, to help with, the new technology of it being out there with social media and marketing ideas, because we do get set in our ways a little bit. And part of that is you get stagnant. You put up a sign, you put on the lockbox, make a flyer, and do some open houses. And then the new approach of just a lot of this whole geofencing and social media and email blasts and things like that. We did it, but not on the scale like it's available to us today.
What I love, though, is that you guys have sort of clashed the two types of marketing approaches. So you have this beautiful blend that just has proven to be successful over the years.
Absolutely. I mean, it's a blessing. Like I say, Trent's youth and everything is just totally inspiring for me to get up every day, because as you get older and, my kids are now through college, I don't have to be forced to work as hard. But, I like the idea that I just get up and go to work, and I get to see him and his ideas, and I'm inspired, and it just makes it fun again. And I'm still young, I feel like I am. So, I still have a lot to offer. I enjoy what I do. We're very diverse in doing a lot of remodels. We're probably not your standard agents where we just show properties. We're very good at maximizing investments, return on investments, helping people do value add to properties. And that's kind of more our niche is, I probably have 6 or 8 clients that, are constantly buying and selling, and fixing up, but not in a way like the standard flippers. We consider ourselves more of a high-end flipper. You buy a $2.5 million house, you put $500,000 into it, and hopefully you sell it for $4 or $5 million. And we try to find properties that are unique with the views and locations and stuff, so that when we do add this value, it's, not super hard to resell.
Right.
So it's kind of been fun.
Right, I bet. And so we are so blessed and honored to have you on our show. I'm just absorbing it all, taking it all in. Thank you so much for being here and just sharing with us your years of wisdom. And I appreciate it so much.
Absolutely. Look
Thank
forward
you.
to another one.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Thanks, guys.